This is the anti-spy detector. You can detect bugs, hidden cameras, GPS trackers. It comes with all the instructions and kind of gives you a walkthrough here. You get a lanyard, charging cable, which is USB-C. This here is your little hidden camera detector. This helps spot the lenses off other cameras. This right here, when you push the button, it'll shoot an IR and it'll kind of reflect off the other lens. It's a really cool device. This here will be your detector that will detect pretty much almost everything else. Long press for it to switch the mode. This plastic build, USB-C charging here in the rear. Long press to turn on. And you have vibration and sound. This light will be for low power, and this light is for charging. The model is DS810. I don't really have anything with me at the moment that'll beep off of this. Okay, so right now it's beeping off my AirPods here. I guess because that runs off kind of a... As you see, it works very well. Especially now this thing is picking up the connection. So it's a very good stick to carry around if you're trying to catch stuff around the hotel room. This would pick up the RF radio frequency signal. It also does a magnetic field detection for like GPS trackers. And here at the bottom, it'll do a flashlight here. Oh, there you go, at the tip. I think that's a very cool little add-on feature. This one here, you can also put this against a door, and it'll also be a sensor for vibration. So if someone's messing at your door, then this will also kind of detect it, and it'll do a little beep for you. So these are very cool devices to have for people who are in that world